Your mind is full of outdated codes. It's time for an upgrade. Uninstall autopilot and activate your creator consciousness. In a world of distraction, learn to reprogram your brain to unlock flow, peace, and purpose. There's a flaw in the matrix of your perception. It's your responsibility to repair it. What if you're not thinking but being thought by invisible programs? Program your brain, not your mind. It acts as a key that separates two realities of perception. When you feel a program of fear, doubt, or impatience activate in your mind, ask yourself this single question. Am I using this thought, or is this thought using me? Observe the silence that follows. In that space, the true programmer is born. You were living in a loop of stress, reactivity, that critical voice whispering that you're not enough. Your brain, in survival mode, strengthened the neural pathways of fear and doubt. Your intuition, an atrophied muscle. This is the program mind. It's the default mode network in a state of chaos, robbing you of the present. If your thoughts aren't truly your own, but rather echoes of past conditioning, then where does your authentic self reside? Mental reprogramming is a bridge. Its defining characteristic is neuroplasticity. The advantage is that you can sculpt your own biology. The benefit is psycho-spiritual resilience, joy as a baseline state, and heightened scientific intuition. It's not about thinking differently, but about being neurologically different. Visualize a luminous energy signature surrounding you. You are both the observer and the programmer. You have recognized the program, understood its mechanism, and accessed the tools for mental alchemy. Your brain is no longer a tyrant, it's an ally. You feel a mind-heart connection guiding your decision-making. This is the symphony of transformation, and the journey has only just begun. Tired of living on autopilot? Science has discovered that your brain is not static. It's a plastic, malleable organ, awaiting your instructions. If you're ready to stop being a spectator and become the architect of your reality, activate the mental virus of high lucidity. This analysis concludes not with an answer, but with a touchstone question designed to resonate in the viewer's mind long after the video ends, acting as an agent of ongoing change.